Hi, my name is Annabelle, and in this video I'll show you how to create a road lane assessment in Validate. A lane in Validate is configured with general information, such as the book temperature and a route, defined by transport steps and transit points. These may be road transport steps for pre-carriage and on-carriage, and intermediate warehouse storage. In our example, we'll create a lane from Basel to Boxmeer, and is booked at 2 to 8 degrees. We start by clicking on Create Lane, where we enter the lane name and provide some details, such as the book temperature and the packaging type. When we click Create, we are redirected to the lane configuration screen to further define the lane. First, you notice the various configuration items at the top. You may, for example, add general information, further specify the product category, and indicate the packaging manufacturer. After defining this general information, we can define the transport process. Let's start with a pickup point at the origin of the lane, and let's assume we ship from a site at Novartis in Basel. We simply add Novartis, and Validate will use Google to search for the address details. Next, we add a Roadstep from the pickup points. Here we need to supply the road transport supplier. And let's assume we use the company VTS as a trucking company. And let's say the duration is 360 minutes to the warehouse with a temperature-controlled truck. Now we have a road step, and let's add a warehouse step in Boxmeer. Let's click on Ads. A lot of things are happening in the background. The application will look up the capabilities of the locations and create a time plan that uses this information. For example, to determine if the steps are performed in a temperature-controlled environment and a typical duration. Now, our lane configuration is complete. At a later stage, you can add an approval workflow and share the lane with other parties, such as the shipper and the carriers. In Validate, the external parties can also jointly approve the lane with their digital signatures. We'll show this in a separate video. So, let's quickly look at the outputs. First, the lane overview, where we see a summary of our new lane. A more detailed time plan is shown in this screen. And Validate also creates a predicted ambient temperature graph based on the climate data in January and July. These graphs are considering average weather conditions. Finally, the lane assessments, which include an evaluation on 5 different factors: ambient temperature exposure, temperature protection from packaging, quality management, security, and the duration and complexity of the lane. More information about this assessment can be found in our Help Center, where you can also find more information about other details regarding the lane assessment. Good luck, and please contact us for further information.